Hello everyone, my name is Gagan and today I am going to present our case study on wireless sensor networks for healthcare. Let's start. The continuous growth of elderly population in 12 countries for last decades is one of the major challenges of the world. As you can see in a bar chart, the Bureau forecasted that in next 20 years, the 65 and over population will be increased nearly 20% of overall population. Hence, the need of delivering quality care to elderly people is required. The smart healthcare system provide altering mechanism against odd condition with continuous monitoring. This minimizes the need for caregivers and helps the chronically ill and elderly to survive an independent life. Not only elderly and chronically ill, but also parents will derive benefits from smart healthcare system for delivering high quality care service for their children and physically challenged peoples. The overview of smart healthcare system can be seen in this diagram. As you can see that it consists two networks. The body area network, where one or more type of sensor carried by patients, such as ECG sensor for body temperature, blood pressure, and heart rate. Personal area network, where one or more type of sensor deployed in environment, such as video sensor and temperature sensor. These two areas are connected to a backbone network via gateway node, such as Wi-Fi, NFC, and Bluetooth. At the application level, the healthcare professionals or other caregivers can monitor the vital health information of the patients in a real time via graphical user interface, such as smartphones and computer devices. There are three key users of smart healthcare system. The primary key user is elderly and chronically ill people. The chronically ill people who have medical disorders such as related with the heart and the respirations, and the elderly people who also have may these symptoms. The second key user is physically disabled people who are not capable of taking care of themselves, like toddlers, or those who are more grown up but still needed to be constant monitored. The last key user is healthcare professionals like doctors and other medical staff who are responsible from the constant health monitoring and capable of giving the immediately response in case of emergency situations. And high bandwidth type electrocardiogram or ECG sensor are used for monitoring body temperature, blood pressure, heart rate, and oxygen saturation in human body. These sensors are very small in size and consume very less power. These sensors do not include batteries and wirelessly charge via chest bands. RFID tags and accelerometer sensor are also used for location tracking. The environmental sensor like RFD readers, video camera, pressure, temperature, humidity sensors are helps to providing a rich contextual information about the people to be monitored. The smart appliance also used in this project that are capable of communicating with other devices. For example, if the temperature of room may be below or above the optical value, then air conditioning device in the room can be automatically activated. Here is the example of different sensor set that are used in smart healthcare system, such as humidity sensor, window sensor, ECG sensor, and temperature sensor. Near field communication Radio frequency identification, Bluetooth and Zigbee network technology are proposed in this project, which measure ECG and escalation signals continuously and transmit the ECG data and physical activity data to low-rate wireless personal area network. The remote monitoring capability is the main benefit of smart healthcare system. With the remote monitoring, the people with different degree of physical disabilities will be enabled to have a more independent and easy life. The second benefit is real-time identification, which helps to identify emergency situations like heart attacks or sudden fall. The technology advancement in healthcare system have reduced the production cost and have made it possible to afford for ordinary people as well. There are 3 points that need to be considered for future development. Firstly, reliability. Low transmission power and small antenna size of wireless sensor devices cause reduced signal to noise ratios. Secondly, sensitivity. Sensitivity of the sensor devices is more important, especially when the user need to wear the sensor under the harsh environment like fire situations or exercising. Thirdly, energy. One of the bottlenecks of wireless sensor devices is the battery. This is a significant issue to be solved. Thanks for watching this video.